This is the Minisforum BD895i SE, and it's redefining what compact desktop platforms can do. Minisforum has officially introduced its latest MoDT motherboard, the BD895i SE. MoDT, short for Mobile on Desktop, bridges the gap between mobile efficiency and desktop expandability. At the heart of this board is AMD's Ryzen 9 8945HX, a Dragon Range refresh processor packing 16 Zen 4 cores and 32 threads, engineered for extreme multitasking and compute-heavy workloads. This isn't just about raw CPU power. The BD895i SE supports up to 96 gigabytes of DDR5 memory running at speeds of up to 5600 MHz across 2 slots, more than enough for creators, developers, and power users building compact systems without compromise. Storage flexibility is equally impressive. 2 PCIe 4.0 x4 M.2 slots allow for up to 4 terabytes of total SSD storage, delivering blazing fast load times and data throughput. Even more surprising, a full PCIe 5.0 x16 slot, enabling support for modern discrete graphics cards, something rarely seen on boards this small. Despite its ITX-sized footprint, connectivity is anything but limited. The rear I/O includes HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and a USB-C port with DisplayPort Alt mode, enabling triple display output right out of the box. Add multiple USB Type-A ports, audio jacks, and internal headers, and this board proves compact doesn't mean constrained. Minisforum bundles the BD895i SE with a dedicated CPU heatsink, though notably no fan is included. This gives builders full control over cooling solutions, supported by multiple onboard fan headers, ideal for silent builds or custom thermal setups. Available as a bare-bone motherboard, the BD895i SE launches at $423.90, targeting enthusiasts who want laptop-class efficiency with desktop-level expansion. And this may just be the beginning. Minisforum is already expected to follow up with an even more powerful board, featuring AMD's upcoming Ryzen 9 9955HX 3D. The Minisforum BD895i SE isn't just another motherboard, it's a statement, proving that high performance, modern connectivity, and true expandability can exist in remarkably small spaces.